friends, I am going to take yet another topic for discussion, and the topic is, which is more important, money or love? So without much ado, let's get going. Well, Shweta, what is your view?
As a human being, the human being is most dissatisfied among all the creatures.
But you look pretty satisfied.
No, I'm not that much satisfied. The truth is, the irony is there. Those who have money, they search for love, and those who have their loved ones, they search for money. And they are all the times money seeker, how to earn more money, more and more money. So this is quite natural.
Okay, but right now we have to take one side. Fine. Okay, Gudiya, you.
I think if you talk about poor people, then they don't have money, but they are happy and एक दूसरे से सब बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो I think love is most important.
Okay. मतलब ये लोग तुम बिगाड़ रहे हो कि सुधार रहे हो?
Love is not about.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Well, I totally agree with Shweta Di, what she told. When who have love, they search for money, and who have money, they search for love. But I will favor money. If we have money, then love will stay with us. Otherwise, he or she will also leave us. For money, we need to build our career, and we need to achieve the success, so that we can stay happy.
In my opinion, love is more important because money will go and come. But when we lost our love, then we don't, he or she will never come again. So I think love is more important.
He or she will never come, another will come.
Exactly. Maybe the better will come. Okay, fine, you.
I think money is important. बहुत जगह देखा जाता है कितना लोग रहता है जिसके पास अगर मनी नहीं रहता है तो उस रीजन से भी बहुत कुछ छोड़ देता है.
Money is very important. Okay, please.
कभी ऐसा होता है कि अगर
जोर से बोलो उधर देखिए.
अगर मनी नहीं भी है बट जो लव रहता है वो स्टे करता है. और अगर
मतलब आज की दुनिया में भी ऐसे लोग हैं.
हाँ है, बहुत कम है लेकिन है. और कभी ऐसा होता है कि पैसा बहुत है बट फिर भी अगर टाइम अगर कोई नहीं दे रहा तो वो छोड़ के चले जाते हैं. मतलब पैसा वो कितना भी हो.
मेरे हिसाब से प्यार ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर पैसा कितना भी रहे लेकिन अगर हम लोग खुशी घर में बहुत सारे पैसा है लेकिन हम लोग के घर में एक दूसरे को टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं, दिन भर हम लोग अर्न करने के पीछे हैं कि कैसे हम लोग अर्न कर सकते हैं बस पैसा. उस पैसे का हम लोग क्या करेंगे जब हम लोग के बीच में खुशी ही नहीं रहेगा.
उधर दोनों देख के बात
तो प्यार ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि अगर प्यार रहेगा तो हम लोग पैसा थोड़ा भी रहेगा तो हम लोग अपना लाइफ को सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं और आगे स्मूथली लेके जा सकते हैं.
Okay, fine. Great idea. Really, I love the way you spoke, and it was very logical also. Very good. Well, Ayushi, what do you feel?
Sir, I feel that love is more important than money. We can make money in our any age. Like if you have talent, you can make money in any age. But love will always stay with you if love is true.
Okay. Good.
सर आई थिंक लव इम्पोर्टेंट, क्योंकि प्यार और पैसा दोनों ही चाहिए पर प्यार ही जरूरी है, क्योंकि जहाँ खुशी नहीं रहेगा वहाँ पैसा क्या काम करेगा.
क्या बात है.
पैसा भी जरूरी है पर प्यार रहना जरूरी है, क्योंकि कहीं भी जाते हैं तो आदमी कहता है कि बहुत अमीर है पर उसके पास उसके दिल में थोड़ा सा भी कुछ नहीं है, वो अच्छा से बात ही ना करे तो उसका पैसा क्या काम देगा जब प्यार नहीं करेगा.
The thing is, usually we see that the persons who are having a lot of money, even to show off I am talking, you will find that he is having a huge number of persons around him. Maybe it is a false affection or the respect it is, but you will find that there are a lot of persons around. But a person who doesn't have a penny, who is not rich, it doesn't matter how good he is from the heart, most of the time I am talking, the person don't give him due credit. The persons don't respect him the way he should be respected. So this is the present phase, that is the present scenario I am seeing in the society. But anyway, let's proceed. You.
From my point of view, love is more important than money. Because the poor people who have no money, who have no good living life, but they have family, they have love between them, so they are happy. I would like to say about my house. Like we are 4 members in our family, and we are not financially very good. We are okay, just okay, but we have love between us, and we are always happy together. And we thought कि हम साथ हैं तो पैसा तो आ ही जाएगा. So I think love is
पटक के देखो.
So I think love is important because अगर प्यार का साथ हो तो we can earn money, we can make money. So love is important.
I think there is a one song also ना कि हाँ तेरा साथ है. That's a pretty good song.
Yes sir, it is true. अगर तेरा साथ है तो फिर क्या कमी मिलके कर लेंगे. So it is true.
तो जाके गाना उसको सुना.
I think love is more important than money because you are very rich and you have very money.
You have a lot of money.
You have a lot of money, but you have a lot of love, and to on this time with whom you talk to them, you spend your time. You are totally alone. You have money, but you are totally alone.
Right.
I think money is more important than love. क्योंकि अगर पैसा ही नहीं रहेगा तो अपना शौक कैसे पूरा करेंगे?
Okay, great. Okay.
I think love is more important than money, because love is not about only boyfriend girlfriend. Love is all about parents, one couples. अगर क्या कहते हैं 2 couples के बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग है तो वो आगे जाके खुद सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट भी हो सकते हैं और वो कुछ भी बिजनेस कर सकते हैं ताकि वो सर्वाइव कर सके. एंड अबाउट स्टूडेंट लाइफ, parents are also supported, then love is more important.
Okay, I will just cross question after a while.
So, to my mind, love is more important because middle class and poor people, they don't have a lot of money, but they earn a small amount, but they live together, our family, they happy.
I think our discussion will take other shape because whatever you talk about the middle class, they are very happy. I think they are most frustrated lot. Middle class is the most frustrated because their ambition is very high. They compare themselves with higher ones. He is having this sort of car, he is having this sort of house. So they keep on comparing themselves. And middle class, the problem is that they cannot go low. They cannot do the job which they think that is below their level. So the middle class, whatever you are talking about, I don't agree that they are very happy and all. In fact, I feel that they are very frustrated lot in one way or other because their ambition is sky high and they are unable to fulfill that. But let's come down to the present scenario. When we talk about money and love, don't you think that in modern life, बाप बड़ा ना भैया सबसे बड़ा रुपया. So when you don't have money, no one will take care of you. No one will give you a second look. Even I am talking about the husband-wife relationship. If the husband is not earning the money, I don't think the wife will give the due respect. Honestly, will you?
No, I will.
You will. So they are fools.
Sir, I only ask money. Give me 2,000, 5,000.
They have talent.
So actually, you know, जो तोड़ गति सो मोर गति.
सर क्या करते हैं इतना पैसा कहाँ दिन को 1,000 मांग लेते हैं.
Okay, that is the one thing that without even about mother and father, forget about the husband. I am talking about you all. Suppose your dad is not bringing the amount that is needed in the house. I don't think even you will give him the due respect because most of the time even your relationship is somehow you are attached to your dad because he fulfills your wishes, he fulfills your desires. If he is unable to fulfill your wish and desire, perhaps he will not hold in the way you hold at present. Don't you think it is right? Anything more you want to add on this? The plain and simple that in a modern time money has taken upper hand, or money is taking the upper hand. Of course, we know that we cannot survive without love. Love is very important in the life, but that has become a theory. That is more theory than the practical.
और सर अगर पैसा ही है और लव नहीं है, किसी का सपोर्ट नहीं है, तो वो भी आदमी डिप्रेस होकर के सुसाइड करके मर जाता है। तो फिर पैसे का भी क्या है?
That is the extreme. So that is the extreme condition.
That is the extreme. You are talking too extreme. We are not talking that is penniless. I am not talking that. I am talking that okay, somehow he is having average money. So
वो भी एक्सट्रीम कंडीशन है ना कि हस्बैंड नहीं कमा रहा है और वो ऐसे ही बैठा हुआ है, या फिर किसी के फादर नहीं कमा रहे और ऐसे ही बैठा हुआ है।
तो हम ये नहीं बोले कि सब नहीं कमा रहे हैं, नल्ले हैं कहाँ पे? I am talking that he is not able to fulfill your wishes or desires.
So money brings happiness. Money brings beauty. If you can buy a new dress, if you have money to bring accessories or makeup products, then you will definitely look better. You will have more friends on your social accounts.
Right.
That is the point. If you will look better on your FB, then you have more boyfriend. If a boy has much money, he can spend on his girlfriends. He can take her to
don't look at
the best eating joints. You can give her good gift. Then of course you have many girlfriends.
Right.
Same vice versa for girls also.
Suppose I'm continuing whatever you told on a very practical level. I'm talking. Say there is a boy who is quite virtuous. He is having good positive points, but he doesn't have the money. Maybe he is from average middle class. Naturally, when he is from the average middle class, he will be a struggler. He will be trying to get a good job. He cannot fulfill your wishes and desires. But there is, on the other hand, there is a boy. He belongs to a rich family, and he is capable of fulfilling your wishes. Which side will you go? Whom will you
prefer? Equally good looking.
Both of them are equally good.
I think priority क्या है? अपना खुश रहना priority है, या फिर अगर हमारा कुछ पसंद है और उसको वो fulfill कर रहा है, तो मेरे को नहीं लगता है कि वो खुशी long lasting होगा। वो खुशी long lasting नहीं होगा, वो कुछ टाइम के।
I don't think कि there is a खुशी and long lasting, they do not go together. If you show me a single person who is having a long lasting khushi, happiness, never. Even in a daily I am talking, it is not that 24 hours you can be happy. It doesn't matter how great partner you have got or maybe how much money you have, you can never be 24 hours happy.
Exactly, तो same चीज़ तो वहाँ भी हो रहा है ना, जहाँ पे कम अर्न कर रहा है और फुलफिल नहीं कर रहा है, तो वो भी तो चीज़ नई चीज़ वहाँ पे लॉन्ग लास्टिंग खुशी तो नहीं चल रहा है।
What is the guarantee that guy who is looking for his career or who is seeking for a job, so that will give you the happiness you want?
Exactly.
तो दूसरे पे क्यों?
That is not a written bond. That he will fulfill all your desires.
Sir, I think love is not about कि किसी और से प्यार करो या किसी और से प्यार पाना। अपने आप से भी प्यार करना वो भी एक है। अगर हम अपने आप पे केयर कर रहे हैं, प्यार कर रहे हैं, तो फिर हम दूसरे के ऊपर क्यों डिपेंड?
ठीक है, तुम लोग अपने आप पे प्यार कर रहे हैं।
क्यों डिपेंड?
Hold. I think everyone has a craving to be loved. Everyone wants to be loved, you know. So what you are talking that is a little beyond the practicality. All of us we want to be loved. It doesn't mean that love. Maybe we want love from our family members. We want that our father should love, maybe mom should love, our sibling should love, maybe our partner should love. But even the animals, they want the love. So what you are talking that it is just the individual choice or one can be happy just being oneself. It is not that.
No, I am not talking about that. If love का meaning हमारे सेंस में ये है कि मेरा वो ड्रीम या मेरा कोई विश को पूरा कर दे रहा है, तो अगर हम लव को उस तरीके से लेके चल रहे तो फिर अपने आप से प्यार करो और अपने से उम्मीद करो कि हम वो पूरा कर सकें। यहाँ पे लव का मीनिंग मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव से थोड़ा अलग है, जो इन सब चीज़ों से थोड़ा अलग है। तो मैंने
यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाई लेवल ऑफ ठीक है
Like also. कुछ पढ़ना ही नहीं समझ में आता उसका।
ठीक है, that's nothing wrong. Okay, fine.
Said to my mind, in today's generation, the definition of the love is totally changed. Girls are in the search of well-settled, and the boy who have the government job, and the boys are in the search of a beautiful girl, or even if he find well-settled girl, then they go for. I have seen some boys who are doing private job, who belongs to private sector. They are educated, but they don't earn a lot. They go against their caste. They do intercaste marriage only because the girl is in government sector and her salary is very high and she is holding the reputed post. If she was not doing the job and she doesn't belong to government job, the boy is not going to marry her. So money is more important in this life, and for the survival in this modern era, we should have money.
Okay.
And sir, one question you have asked, if a boy have lots of money and one boy is very virtuous. If you ask me personally, if I am well settled, I will go for the virtuous one. If I am not settled and I don't have money, and if I don't earn, then I will go for the rich one.
I think you are being too diplomat. You are being diplomat. Maybe you are being very practical, but maybe diplomat.
आप बोले कि अगर फादर सारे फुलफिल नहीं करते हैं ड्रीम तो रिस्पेक्ट खत्म हो जाता है, तो ऐसा नहीं है। अगर कोई फादर है जो कि फुलफिल कर रहा है सारा ड्रीम, ऐसे भी इंसान का नेचर होता है कि उसका कभी इच्छा पूरा होता ही नहीं। मतलब अगर आज कुछ मांगा मिला तो फिर उसका और इच्छा बढ़ते जाता है। तो अगर वो उस समय का कोई फादर मना कर देते तो वो भी डिसरिस्पेक्ट करता है अपना पेरेंट्स का। तो इसलिए ये अगर हम लोग ज़्यादा मनी नहीं कमा रहे हैं, तो अगर हम किसी अपने बच्चे को या फिर किसी को भी लवर्स को अगर लव दे, टाइम दे, तो भी बहुत खुश रहेंगे। और हम लोग सब बस खुश रहना चाहते हैं, तो इसलिए लव इम्पोर्टेंट है।
आपके चरण ना मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि प्रैक्टिकली आप क्या चाहोगे अपने लाइफ में? अपने लाइफ पार्टनर से बात कर रहे हैं कि उसको रिच होना चाहिए या उसको क्या था सेकंड में लव, हाँ वो आपको प्यार करे, वो पैसा वाला होना चाहिए या उसको प्यार करने वाला होना चाहिए? अगर दोनों में एक ही चॉइस है तब दोनों नहीं।
जिसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा वो प्यार नहीं करेगा।
नहीं
अगर हाँ जो ये बोली ना कि अगर जॉब करेंगे खुद, अगर खुद के पास पैसा रहेगा तो प्यार करेगा उसके पास चले जाओ, और नहीं है जिसके पास ज़्यादा पैसा
Actually, practical, what you are talking about, it is not practical. The thing is that, you know, if the guy is earning a lot of money and you are not earning, so again you will find that he is not respecting you the way he should respect you. And maybe both of you are earning, then there comes the ego clashes. You will find that the working couples, they fight more than the simple ones.
तो अगर सर जैसे अगर वो जो रहेगा जो जॉब नहीं कर रहा है, तो उस टाइम भी अगर कोई भी ड्रीम फुलफिल नहीं होगा तो उस टाइम भी लगेगा एकदम अजीब से चिड़चिड़ा टाइप का लगता है, हर चीज़ पे गुस्सा आएगा, वैसा आ जाता है।
समझा क्या चाकू लेंगे?
नहीं सर।
क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप अगर लाइफ पार्टनर चुनना हो तो रिच लाइफ पार्टनर चुनोगे या ऐसा लाइफ पार्टनर जो लव करे?
सर रिच जो लाइफ पार्टनर है वो जरूरी नहीं कि पूरा अटेंशन आपको दे, तो वो अपना पैसे के पीछे ज़्यादा रहेगा, या फिर अगर हम उसका पैसा को ज़्यादा यूज करेंगे या फिर वेस्ट करेंगे तो भी उसको ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होगा, क्योंकि वो इतना अर्न किया है। तो और जो केयरिंग होगा, जो प्यार करेगा, वो इतना नहीं करेगा। और ज़्यादा मतलब पैसा
नहीं तो आप स्ट्रेट आंसर तो आप जितना बोले आई एग्री विथ यू, बट व्हाट इज इफ यू हैव टू चूज वन, देन who will you choose?
So they are talking about ideology. They don't have the idea of real life or practical life. once they enter in practical life, their ideology will change.
Okay. Okay, you.
I can choose love.
The person we love.
The person who will love with me because he
वैसे फटा साड़ी पहन के गाना गा लेते हैं, हिंदी फिल्म में जैसे गाते हैं।
नहीं वैसा नहीं, मतलब कि हम ऐसे आदमी को चुनेंगे कि जैसे वो फाइनेंशियली ओके हो। ऐसा नहीं कि हमको हर फेस्टिवल में हर मंथ में हमको ड्रेस चाहिए, बस ऐसा कि हम अपना जी सके अपना लाइफ को आराम से
और ध्यान लगा के तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू इकोनॉमिक्स ह्यूमंस आर unlimited desires and also unlimited dreams, wants। तो कभी फुलफिल नहीं होता है। अगर वो जैसे बोली कि अगर आज अगर हमको 1 लाख दिया तो फिर कल हम बोलेंगे, अगर आज हमको सोना मिला तो कल हम बोलेंगे हमको हीरा चाहिए। तो वही अगर वही होता है कि हम लोग नहीं तो हम सामने वाला को देख के बोलेंगे ना कि हाँ उसके पास सोना हमको फुलफिल कर सकता है कि नहीं। तो उस चीज़ के लिए हम उसको लड़ेंगे क्यों? अगर देखते हैं कि हाँ उसके पास उतना है वो हमको दे सकता है।
She is very much right. They are still on a very theory वाला thing. The thing is that अगर हर wife ऐसा सोचने लगे, seeing the status of the husband and seeing the earning of the husband, if they start behaving in that way, I don't think any family there will have any tussle or any fight.
So सोना तो चांदी भी नहीं रहेगा। दिवाली में 20 only 20,000 you have I have taken 80,000 चाहिए, तो करना पड़ता है, तो मिलेगा ही नहीं। बाद में ले लेना घर जाके।
Sir, I think they put the long one. बस नल्ला वाला लाइफ नहीं होना चाहिए। Means he should have talent. वो फिर भी खड़ा कर लेगा खुद को, but हाँ कैरी होना चाहिए।
Okay. I don't disagree, but the thing is that no one knows how long the struggle will go. Maybe that person is talented, but what is the guarantee that he will be successful in the next 5 years or maybe in the next 10 years? There are not many persons, they throughout life they keep on struggling, but they do not achieve the goal that they want.
Like me, I'm the best example of that. I am not achieved yet. So
I think there are only few persons who can claim that they have achieved what they really wanted in their life or they want in their life. The rest of us, we are never satisfied with the position that we have got. We want more.
Sir, in money and love, I am agree that both are equally important, and I am in favor of love also. But I will give number 1 to money and number 2 to love.
Exactly. Let's take it. You. तुम तो हर बात बिंदास से बोलते हो।
सर मेरे ख्याल से तो प्यार ही होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कितना भी पैसा रहेगा और प्यार नहीं रहेगा तो पैसा लाइफ जी के क्या फायदा। क्योंकि आपकी टाइम नहीं देगा, वो दिन भर कमाने में ही बिजी रहेगा, तो अकेले क्या करेगा। इसीलिए अगर प्यार कर रहा है अच्छा से तो प्यार ही
तो प्यार से बर्तन मजवा रहे
नो सर, वैसा कोई ना हर सब तो पूरा कर रहा है ना, वैसा थोड़ी मतलब नहीं कुछ तो काम कर रहा है, जरूरी नहीं कि बड़ा नहीं बने वैसा कुछ नहीं।
Don't you think that in a practical life when you have to do the dishes, when you have to clean the clothes, when you have to mop the floor, पूरा प्यार खिड़की के रास्ते बाहर निकल जाता है। उस समय वो जितना गुनगुन रहे ना सब बाहर, that the love doesn't appeal you from inside. You feel very very agitated, you feel very angry, and you feel from inside where the hell I have been trapped.
So in one or 2 days or 1 week or 1 month one can do. But
1 month बहुत ज़्यादा बोल रहे हो, एक सप्ताह में जीप बाहर आ जाता है, फेफड़ा बाहर आ जाता है। So without the help, I think it is very hard. It's very hard, especially when you are a working lady. For a working lady, it is very hard that you have to manage the whole house affair, and by any chance when you are having a kid, and then you have to look, because kid takes a lot of time and the kid does not listen to you. So at the same time while you are cooking the things, the kid is crying, someone is knocking the door and you don't have any helping hand, you become utterly frustrated. Okay.
So, well, so can you repeat the question?
When you want a guy who has a lot of money, or you want a guy who can show love on you?
So, from my point of view, what I feel personally is that why should a girl depend on a boy who is earning money? Why I choose the boy who is financially okay? Why I cannot do myself? I have never imagined my life without a job, without doing better thing in my life. I have never thought that I will marry a boy who is rich. I thought that I will earn money. I will make money, and then after I will choose a boy with whom I can be happy. But I will choose the boy with whom I am in love. I love the boy. I will choose him. And I will not choose the boy who is rich or who is financially good, because what is the guarantee that he is a rich person, he will give love and respect. He is rich, maybe he has another affair. क्योंकि पैसा कि rich person है तो
anyway, that is second part that I don't agree. So for whatever you told, I agree with you. But whatever you're talking, like say he can have the affair, maybe the person who is loving you, he can also have the affair.
If he is loving that girl truly and he is not in affair with anyone else, then that's good. तब कर लेना चाहिए जिसको करना है, rich boy चाहिए. But I personally, I have when I will get job, I will do marry with the person who I love.
Yeah,
I choose the loved one because अगर हमसे कोई प्यार करेगा तो केयर भी करेगा और हेल्प तो करेगा ही कोई ना कोई काम में. अगर कुछ बोले कि मेरे को ये करना है तो सपोर्ट करेंगे, बैक सपोर्ट रहेगा. बट अगर वही रिच रहा तो क्या गारंटी होगी हमसे ठीक से बात करेगा, कि हमको पैसा मांगने तो नहीं देगा, काम करती होती कुछ नहीं, घर में बैठे रहते. अब बोलेंगे हमको कुछ करना है तो बोलेगा कि करके क्या करूँगी, तो हम पैसा से नहीं दे, घर में पड़ेगा. तो ऐसा करके क्या फायदा, तो मेरा रिस्पेक्ट ही नहीं करेगा, ना टाइम देगा.
Okay, whatever you are talking, again I am repeating the thing. In modern time, the girls, they want to get married to the person who is having a lot of money. Usually, when he is happy, they are ready to sacrifice. They think, छोड़ो ना, पैसा है ना उसके पास. Maybe the person is not very good looking. Maybe, in fact, he is bad looking. You will find a lot of guys. They are not at all good looking from any angle, but they are having very pretty wives. So these pretty wives, how have they got that man? नहीं तो जब तक वो गर्ल्स खुद कंसेंट नहीं दी होगी तो उसकी शादी कैसे होती है?
सर मेरी दी की फ्रेंड है, वो भी मतलब वो उनके पास आया था, शादी के लिए आ रहा था. तो वो प्रिंसिपल थे स्कूल के, बहुत अच्छे थे, रिच थे. उनसे शादी कर ली, तो थोड़ा एजेड थे, मतलब उनसे इससे वो नहीं जाता. शादी कर ली, उसके शादी के एकदम महीना बाद वो टॉर्चर करने लगे, मारने लगे, तुम इधर मत जाओ, उनसे बात मत करो, फिर घर भी भगा दिए कि जान यहाँ से डिवोर्स दे दे. तो सर इसके क्या फायदा?
तो लेकिन can that will take a very different issue and different side, that one should marry the aged person or not, because that topic is a bit related to that, and right now we are not taking that topic. But anyway, yeah.
So according to me, I will get married average money. If two person average money earn, then
it's okay.
It's okay. और अगर नहीं कमा रहे हैं अगर दोनों, तो फिर रिच से करना चाहिए, नहीं तो प्रॉब्लम होगा.
सही बात. I mean, both of them are earning, then I think both of you can pull out the life, because both of you are earning. So even while you are earning the average money, you can pull out a good life, more or less. And of course, understanding part is very important. But when you are penniless, when the boy is penniless, I think it's very hard to survive. Pull out. Yes, please.
So when I chose loved ones,
Because look at that side and speak.
Because अगर हम लोग के पास कोई सपोर्टर है ना, अगर हम लोग दूसरे को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो तो और जाहिर सी बात है वो मुझे सपोर्ट करेगा, मैं उसे सपोर्ट करूँगी. और अगर हम लोग के पास कोई वैसा टैलेंट हो जिससे हम लोग मनी अर्न कर सके तो हम लोग आगे जाके भी अर्न कर सकते हैं.
again it will take other topic. Should one take a risk in the life that okay, that fella is talented but is not doing anything? Should one go and marry that boy? I think it is a risk factor.
Yes, sir, it is risky, but sir, कुछ ना कुछ तो money हो गई उसके पास, ऐसा थोड़ी है बिल्कुल नहीं
कहीं नहीं बोल सकता है ना.
No, sir.
Sir, I choose loved ones. हम क्यों डिपेंड रहे उससे कि वो मेरे सारा ड्रीम फुलफिल करे, हम खुद क्यों नहीं कर रहे?
बात ही करो तुम, फिर डिस्टर्ब करो बीच में.
उस पर क्यों डिपेंड? अगर हो सकता है कि बंदा रिच है, उससे हम शादी कर लिए, वो मेरे को क्रेडिट कार्ड कैश सब दे दे रहा है, जो भी मांग रहे सब दे दे रहा है, वो मेरे को टाइम ही नहीं दे रहा है, तो उससे अच्छा वही है कि जो लव केयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग उससे कर लो.
Without credit card, without cash.
ऐसा थोड़ी ना
How can one?
हम कमा रहे हैं तो हम लोग खुद कर लेंगे, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करें.
Okay, fine. Look, theory-wise it sounds pretty good that we should live with a person who loves us. And of course, it is very important that all of us, we want to be loved. And we want, there is a very good line from Tennyson. Lord Tennyson has told a very good line that I don't want to be loved only. I want to be loved and being told that I am loved. मैं सिर्फ ये नहीं चाहता कि लोग मुझे प्यार करें, या मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं प्यार किया जाऊँ और ये बोला जाऊँ कि मैं प्यार किया जा रहा हूँ. If someone loves you, that is not enough. That person should tell you that he loves you. Anyway, that is a different issue. But what I am talking, that theory-wise it sounds pretty good that we should we can lead a very good life when the person is loving us. But practically, you know, in modern time, money plays a very, very important role. So, if there is a balance that the person is having not a lot of money, but he is having an average money and is good at heart, he is loving you, then there can't be a better partner than him or her. Then I think one should go ahead. But while you are only looking at the money, I think you are playing a big gamble. Throughout your life, you will be having the craving to be loved, and that desire will remain unfulfilled. There are so many rich persons, and generally their wives I am talking about. They are shopaholic. And shopaholic, that is a sort of disease. When you buy a lot of clothes, you buy a lot of things, you know, there is a frustration inside, and that is why you are trying to overcome your frustration through buying. So the craving to be loved is very important in the life. One should be loved. So here we come to the end of this session. I am not drawing a particular conclusion. Both are very important in life. It is up to us what exactly, which side of the fence we are standing and which side are we giving the weightage on. Thank you.
Thank you.